Jungle.
Untuk mendukung pengembangan budidaya perikanan terpadu, Regal Springs Indonesia PT Aqua Farm Nusantara, bersama Fakultas Perikanan dan Ilmu Kelautan Institut Pertanian FPIK Bogor IPB, berkolaborasi untuk kemitraan strategis. Komitmen ini diwujudkan kedua belah pihak dengan penandatangan perjanjian kerjasama induk, Master Cooperation Agreement, di IPB baru-baru ini. Penandatanganan ini diwakili oleh Direktur Regal Springs Indonesia Tri Dharma Saputra dengan Dekan Fakultas Perikanan dan Ilmu Kelautan Institut Pertanian Bogor Profesor Dr. Ferdinand Yulianda Mesece. Tri Dharma pada sambutannya mengatakan bahwa IPB University adalah salah satu universitas terbaik di Indonesia yang memiliki visi dan misi yang sama dengan Regal Springs Indonesia, yaitu memajukan sektor dan industri perikanan terpadu yang berkelanjutan, salah satunya mendukung gerakan pangan biru, Blue Food Movement. Perjanjian kerjasama ini dijelaskan Tri, merupakan kerjasama induk yang menjadi salah satu landasan dan langkah strategis yang manfaatnya diharapkan tidak hanya untuk perusahaan dan pihak akademisi. Namun, hasil dari kolaborasi ini bisa menjadi acuan untuk masyarakat luas, khususnya masyarakat aquaculture.
It is with a great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today to mark a significant milestone in the collaborative journey between Regal Springs Indonesia, known as PT Aqua Farm Nusantara, and the Faculty of Fisheries and Marine Science of Bogor Agriculture Institute. Today, we formalize a partnership that is built on shared value and a common vision, the advancement of sustainable and environmentally conscious aquaculture and fisheries. This Master Cooperation Agreement embodies our commitment to leverage science, technology, and human resources in fostering an integrated approach to fisheries development. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Dr. Ferdinand Yulianda, Master of Science, Professor Mala, Professor Awiliti, and other head of the department, and his dedicated team at IPB for their unwavering support and collaborative spirit that has brought us into this momentous occasion. Our cooperation is not merely an agreement on the paper, but a convergence of expertise, knowledge, and resources aimed at achieving tangible outcomes. We aim to develop integrated fisheries and aquaculture resources that are both sustainable and environmentally friendly. This partnership will also focus on the development of human resources, including students, lecturers, and our employees through education, training, research, and various knowledge sharing programs. Moreover, our joint effort will extend to the development of innovative and renewable technologies, management systems, and business models that support the growth and sustainability of aquaculture practices. By aligning our activities with the capabilities of natural resources, we aim to create a harmonious balance that benefits both the environment and the communities involved. This agreement signifies our mutual understanding that detailed provisions regarding our cooperation will be addressed in specific agreement as necessary. Such meticulous planning and understanding are crucial to avoid any ambiguity and to ensure the successful implementation of the collaborative initiative. I am confident that this partnership will yield significant benefits that set a precedent for future collaboration in the field of fisheries and marine science. Together, this is one of our spirit, together we can. Together we will pave the the way for groundbreaking research, innovative solution, and sustainable practices that will not only advance our respective institutions but also contribute to the broader goal of environmental stewardship and community development. Once again, I would like to reiterate my deepest appreciation to everyone who has contributed to the realization of this partnership. Your hard work, attention, and dedication are the cornerstone of the success. Once again, really appreciate to welcoming us in really a great situation. So Pak Lorang will give his big things about the Blue Food. This is actually one of the hot topic. So we are actually just had a several meeting with the government. So Regal Spring actually one of the pioneer company in the world, the one that already signed the partnership with the Blue Food movement. This is to tell how we committed, how we can drive into further food security and other type of the Blue Food movement program.
Dekan Fakultas Perikanan dan Ilmu Kelautan Institut Pertanian Bogor Profesor Dr. Ferdinand Yulianda Mesece pada sambutannya mengatakan, Regal Springs Indonesia saat ini menjadi produsen dan pembudidaya ikan tilapia yang terintegrasi dan yang terbaik. Ini merupakan kolaborasi strategis di antara kedua belah pihak yang diwujudkan komitmen tersebut. Ferdinand menambahkan bahwa saat ini, FPIKIPB juga berfokus pada transformasi Blue Food atau Blue Food Movement. Konsep dari Blue Food Movement memiliki peran penting dalam pencegahan stunting dan malnutrisi. IPB University juga berkomitmen untuk berperan dalam mewujudkan Blue Food Movement dan ketahanan pangan di Indonesia.
We know the Regal Spring Indonesia, with the Indonesian name is PT Aquarama Aqua Farm Nusantara. Oh, maaf is the number one of producer sustainably farm tilapia nila. They are the leading vertically integrated supplier of fresh and frozen tilapia, championing innovative, eco-friendly aquaculture and support the welfare of fish, the surrounding environment, and local communities. This company manage a comprehensive tilapia floating and net cage cultivation system that consists of several activities, such as hatchery, feed mill, fish farming, processing, and maintaining environmental balance. This concept is known as integrated tilapia fisheries management. Now, currently the Regal Spring Indonesia is the best of the world of tilapia exporter. It's very special. Last month we visit the fish farming of Regal Spring Indonesia at Toba Lake. I met with the President Director of Regal Spring Indonesia, Rudolf Havelman, but unfortunately he cannot come to Bogor this time. I just got the news this morning that Mr. Rudolf parents-in-law died. So I would like to say my condolence to Pak Rudolf. From regarding our visit to Toba and Medan, this visit of IPB University can be start of a good collaboration for both parties. And today we are doing now at IPB campus. Faculty of Fisheries and Marine Science, IPB University, and Regal Spring are committed to be blue food transformation, or what is usually called blue food. Regal Spring also has a focus on delivering operational aquaculture campaigns for cultivating fish, tilapia fish, to produce a quality protein source. The concept of blue economy should be considered as a priority for realizing food security. Blue food has an important role in reducing stunting problem and malnutrition, as well as contributing to the sustainable transformation of the food system in Indonesia. IPB University as a tertiary institution can take a role in the focus that must be prioritized to achieve blue food. We realize the importance of adopting modern technology and improving the skill of human resources. Integrated fisheries cultivation can be realized by maintaining natural sustainability. IPB will play a scientific role through intensive programs, joint research, and publication, and create a positive atmosphere for the integrated tilapia fisheries activities. We are happy to be able to collaborate with Regal Spring. We hope that the collaboration will provide benefit for both parties and contribute to the development of Indonesia fisheries industry.
Sebagai tambahan informasi, perjanjian kerjasama induk ini mencakup aspek-aspek utama, antara lain sebagai sumber daya perikanan dan akuakultur terpadu yang berwawasan lingkungan dan berkelanjutan. Sebagai sumber daya manusia di bidang perikanan, termasuk namun tidak terbatas pada pendidikan terhadap sumber daya manusia atau pengembangan terhadap sumber daya manusia yang terlibat dalam berbagai aspek perikanan dan akuakultur. Memanfaatkan ilmu pengetahuan dan teknologi dalam penyelenggaraan penelitian, pendidikan, dan pengabdian kepada masyarakat bekerja sama dalam kegiatan pengembangan perikanan terpadu, sumber daya manusia, pengetahuan dan teknologi, dan kegiatan terpadu lainnya yang berwawasan lingkungan dan berkelanjutan. Kegiatan magang mahasiswa juga sangat terbuka untuk dilakukan, sehingga mahasiswa FPI KIPB dapat meningkat pengetahuan dan keterampilannya di dunia industri. Tentang Regal Springs Indonesia, adalah pelopor bisnis budidaya ikan secara bertanggung jawab di Indonesia dan merupakan salah satu perusahaan pangan yang memperkerjakan lebih dari 2.000 karyawan di Sumatera Utara yang beroperasi sejak 1989. Tahun 2018, Regal Springs Indonesia meluncurkan program tanggung jawab sosial dan keberlanjutan, Kami Peduli, yang berfokus pada 3 pilar, lingkungan, sosial dan ekonomi. Ini adalah program berkelanjutan terpadu pertama untuk budidaya ikan tilapia. Dalam setiap operasinya, Regal Springs Indonesia selalu mengedepankan kelestarian lingkungan dan sumber daya alam. Hal ini terbukti dengan pencapaian Regal Springs Indonesia menjadi produsen ikan tilapia pertama di dunia yang menjalankan operasionalnya dengan bertanggung jawab sesuai standar cara budidaya ikan yang baik CBIB, Aquaculture Stewardship Council ASC, dan GAABAP.